Drawmap has nothing to do with this pretty picture. Drawmap has more to do with this second image. It has to do with the proliferation of use of mobile devices and especially geographical data. These have become familiar thanks to tools like Google Maps, and every day more organizations and freelancers need to access and collect field data. We are not talking about the classic marker of maps, but to consult from field-elaborate data served by thousands of map servers or collect well-structured field data, incorporating multimedia information and send this information immediately, sharing it with external partners or colleagues of the organization. drawmap offers to those organizations working in the field the possibility to consult, collect, and share this information on its own platform. Nowadays, it's estimated that a third of workers are mobile. Regarding organizations that use located or geographical data, this change towards mobility still hasn't had its burst. For some time, there has been specific devices for these tasks, such as Trimble or Garmin, and software as the geospatial giant ESRI. But the high cost of the devices and software means that only major organizations made the change to mobility. To this, we must add that the GIS world has never been easy. However, familiarity with this type of data, thanks to platforms or tools like Maps, CartoDB, OSM, and especially the cost reduction of mobile devices with 3G and GPS, has resulted in a new type of customer. This is no longer the GIS analyst or expert who can manage really complex systems, but engineers, field operators, geographers, utility workers, technicians of municipalities, the list goes on. These workers are familiar with geographical data, but understanding it in a new way. Mobility, understood this way, more familiar, more easy, also claims to enter in this market that has been dominated by more complex systems. drawmap provides simplicity versus complexity of GIS systems, but we cannot forget that these are our friends and we should communicate with them. For this reason, drawmap follows the standards of the OGC, Open GIS Consortium, and the market. The costs are up to 75% lower compared to similar tools and focuses on what matters most, because we must not forget that in any system the most important thing is data, and talking about geographical data means it's in the field, and drawmap is primarily a tool to collect data wherever it is and in a structured way. drawmap is a mobility SaaS solution for graphic editing mainly composed of two elements: an application for mobile devices and a web environment for managing data. From the mobile device and on any map base, you can sketch, take notes, and photographs related to observations. These are published and shared instantly. Draw, take pictures, and collect data from the mobile device. Upload this data to the cloud. Share with your colleagues wherever you are. Display and use the collected data, make reports, maps, and studies. drawmap has a graphic editing unit from which draw and collect data from the observation. Its core allows to display different maps and consult the information shown in them. One aspect to consider is the possibility of not having internet connection in the field. drawmap can operate offline. From the web manager, manage field workers, devices, display statistics, prepare reports, share comments, and information associated with them. Our potential customers, an estimation of 500,000 just in Europe, are those companies that need to deal with geographic data and mainly have deployed staff performing field tasks. Companies that manage territory like public administrations, both local and state. companies that manage assets like construction business or that perform services. We can say that nowadays, thanks to technology, many companies meet those requirements mentioned above. Those are the kind of customers to whom we address, the ones that work with geographic data and field workers, anywhere in the world. So within the platform 100% operational, in some sessions conducted to get feedback, we obtained the interest of different clients, who integrated the technology into their systems and obtained an income of about 35,000 euros. Our business model freemium. We would offer a free basic service charging for a number of more advanced functionalities such as link PDF to maps, ability to generate dynamic forms, API to import and export data to other systems, augmented reality, indoor positioning, different data capabilities depending on the plan. We started the project in mid-2012. A first prototype stage gave way in 2013 to the development of all the free environment, which we launched in production in January 2014. For 2014, our goals would be the acquisition of free users and the implementation of premium tools in a first step, and in a second one to develop a set of tools for a segment customer of a lower profile for which we believe the market is not prepared yet. In 2015, we will focus our efforts in acquiring premium users and implement in the platform the functionalities of the lower segment. The team that has developed the project and is still working on it is formed by Ana Marcos, GIS Analyst Developer and Web Developer, Raúl Santos, Mobile Analyst Developer and Web Developer, and Luis Aguilar, CTO.